Enjoy the view of this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Wrangler JK brings open-air freedom, comfort, convenience, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and can-do performance on all your off-road adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle for less than what your free spirit craves. Drive the Wrangler JK.